Hi friends, welcome to Melt and Pour series at Terra Naturals. Today, let us see goat milk soap with goat milk soap base. This goat milk soap base provides a creamy, moisturizing foundation for creating luxurious handmade soaps. The goat milk soap base deeply hydrates, soothes sensitive skin, and promotes a healthy, radiant complexion. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. Let's get started. Chop the base into small pieces like this. Use double boiler method to melt the soap base gently and evenly. Once the soap base melts, add the essential oil. I am adding lavender essential oil. Give it a nice mix. Now add few drops of coconut oil. Pour the melted soap into a mold. Always remember to spray rubbing alcohol on the mold before pouring. Once you are done, once again spray the rubbing alcohol on the surface of the soaps to avoid bubbles. Let the soaps rest for a few minutes and then unmold them. The goat milk soaps are ready. Once give a try and leave your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.